Hey everybody, it's me here, Sew Pretti again, back with another frontal sew-in video. This is my client here. Her birthday's coming up, and she got custom color on 3 bundles, which was a 30, a 26, and a 28, and a 20-inch frontal. Custom color by me, and right here I'm just braiding her hair down. Once I finish that, I'm going to go ahead and add some boho liquid jelly to her edges just to slick those back, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed with the install. Stay tuned. Okay, so right here I'm going to go ahead and add the makeup to the cap that's closest to her skin tone, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed with putting the makeup on the frontal. This is a transparent lace frontal from my website here, sewpretti.com, as well as the bundles. Again, she has a 26, 28, and 30-inch bundle and 20-inch transparent lace frontal. And you'll see at the end how full it is with 3 bundles. My bundles come really full and thick. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and add the lace glue. I'm using the Hold Me Down Adhesive by Erica J. I add that, let it dry as I'm sewing in my bundles. It works, it dries pretty fast, so I think I used about five layers of her glue for this install, and it holds really good. So I don't know if y'all can see, but I have a braid going at the back of her head, straight across on each side from each braid. So that's what I'm sewing it on first. The bottom braid is going to the very bottom of her head, and then I'm proceeding to flip my tracks as I sew, and then I'm going to connect it, back and forth, just flipping the tracks without cutting them. Okay, so as you can see, I did go ahead and lay the frontal down and tied it down with my elastic band. You can refer back to some of my videos to see how I first cut off my lace and then lay my frontal down. But that's just pretty much what I do to every frontal sew-in. Okay, so I am finishing up the install, so that's why you see me cutting that last little piece off of her frontal, of her sew-in, and now we're going to go ahead and get ready to proceed with the styling. But that's the only time you'll see me cut a track is when I'm actually finished with the install. I don't cut my tracks at all, you know, so that clients can have longevity on their bundles. Okay, so I went ahead and took the lace band off of it, and these are, I don't know if you guys can see how good it melted in. I really love my transparent frontals, and it actually reminds me of an HD frontal. It looks really good on her, and that color, it suits her very well. But I just wanted to show you guys, look at the melt on that lace, and I haven't even finished it yet. So yeah. Okay, so what you see me doing here is about to go ahead and do her baby hairs. Once I do the baby hairs, then I'm going to go ahead and tie it down and then proceed with the styling. I'm going to continue to let you guys watch the video. That's the end of me talking. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And shop with me at SewPretti.com. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we are doing big loose curls. She doesn't want them tight, so we're just gonna curl them up, and we're not gonna pin them up or anything like that. We're just gonna let them hang and let the gravity pull them down as I'm curling, and then we're gonna proceed to finish the styling.